Hello friends and welcome back to the Reglin channel. So friends, today I will talk about Kuroutoshikou Radeon RX 9060 XT in white color option. So friend, the Japanese brand Kuroutoshikou add white edition for Radeon RX 9060 XT. So friend, and both are all white design and have already appeared on our site and all through under a different brand. As a reminder, Kuroutoshikou is partnered with Galaxy for GeForce RTX graphics card and with PowerColor for Radeon RX models, and these new models are rebranded version of the PowerColor Reaper series and which are also available in black and white design. And unlike the PowerColor version, Kuroutoshikou card do not feature any PowerColor logo on sticker. The only way to confirm their origin is by checking the IO bracket, which still show the PC logo. So friend, there is a two new models, neither of which is factory overclock, and they feature the Navi 44 GPU with 2048 stream processor and offered either 8 GB and 16 GB GDDR6 memory and 128-bit bus. In both cards support the PCIe 5.0 into 16 interface. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.